Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here I am at Goodwood Festival of Speed. How could I miss it, guys? Especially when it's the anniversary of BMW M, 50 years of the M division, so I had to come and check it out. And I'm going to just give you a short little walk around, show you my favourites, and then yeah, enjoy the highlights, guys. So I've just entered the Festival of Speed, and check this out, guys. Straight away, M3 CSL E46. And then what do we have behind that? A lovely OG M2. Lovely R8. Oh, now check this out. Very controversial colour, this. Phoenix Yellow E46 M3. Incredible. There's just so much. I don't even know what to point my camera at, guys. You've got a lovely RS6 over there, and this is, I think that's a GT3 Touring. And look at those seats, guys. Look at those seats. Oh. So I'm at the Miltech stand, guys, and check out this. An Urban Defender and a 3-door as well. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm a massive fan of these guys. I've actually got the Lego model. I don't really know much about what this is. I'm guessing it's some sort of tuned up, modified version, I'm assuming, but it looks fantastic. I mean, even in stock form, it's an awesome car. And over here, now, I think I know whose this car is, and his name begins with J. That is his M3. So look at that. Davitt Grey, beautiful colour. Fiona Red. Laser lights. Check it out. Do you know what? I don't care about the grills, guys. That is an absolutely gorgeous car. I cannot believe how big those exhaust tips are. Unbelievable. This is not every day you get to get up close and personal with an F1 car. That is, especially this one. This is a beautiful livery. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. As safety cars go, guys, this is a good one, isn't it? Look at that. Incredible. I had to have a look at this. This is a BTCC 125i with the quick fit livery. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. What's really interesting, look how far back the engine is. Never ever got up close and personal with a BTCC car's engine. It's even got the original coil packs from the B48. It's unbelievable.
In terms of the hybrid, the available number of laps, 8 laps according to Turkington, 15 or that's 14 racing laps for Dan Rowbottom, 30 for Dan Lloyd, and of course the championship leader,
that is something else, guys.
The fewer number of laps, he will only have 5. So it is a 15-lap race, but you can't use the hybrid on the first racing lap, so the maximum anybody would have in racing conditions is 14.
Right, we've got Robin here. He's going to talk us through this amazing Land Rover. So, let's start with the engine. How come that's got a BMW straight six in there?
Yeah, no, thanks very much. Yeah, this is the M52 2.8 straight six petrol engine from the BMW brought out. They had it in most of their 3 Series. We've coupled it with the BMW gearbox as well. So we're using the 5-speed gearbox. We've developed an adapter plate to be able to allow the Land Rover transfer box to be connected to that. Allows you all the functionality of the original Defender, but also then giving you the smooth ride and the changing capabilities that BMW gearbox gives, and gives you that smooth modern ride.
Absolutely. And what made you choose that engine in particular?
Well, the M52 was installed by Land Rover when BMW owned Land Rover for the short period of time they did. So we wanted to keep it a bit JLR, keep the sort of authenticity in it. That engine was released in South Africa, but never for the European market, and just wanted to keep that tradition alive with them and try and bring that back for the more petrol-headed people around.
Nice, that's amazing.
Yeah, so the suspension setup on here, it's about what we do is the whole package of the vehicle. So coupled with that, the engine upgrade and the gearbox upgrade, we put air suspension on this Defender to be able to give that a more smoother ride, but also allows you to be able to lift up the suspension and go off-road with that as well.
Yeah.
So it gets the adaptability on speed, so you've got a nice cruising motorway feel, but also then for off-road use, we can lift that suspension up just to give you that clearance and that Defender feel and experience.
It makes it a bit more versatile, I guess.
Exactly, more versatile and more adapted for city living, but also then if you want to go to your own county show.
Exactly, and have it sit like this, because it is sitting low, isn't it?
It is sitting low at the moment, so this is a parking mode at the moment. So once you turn the ignition on, it comes up about 20-30 mil, but still very low in terms of how Defenders are. But as soon as you want to take it off-road, you've got selectable buttons on the dashboard to be able to lift you up as well.
Nice. Well, you have built a stunning machine. Thank you very much for chatting to me.
No problem at all. Have a good day.
What if it was da 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 down down da da da
I've got to show you this. Check this out. This is the new Renault 5. And it's all electric. And I just think that is absolutely fantastic. That is my favourite electric vehicle. Look at it. It's sweet. Come on. I just think that's fantastic. So retro. And it's got that beautiful metallic paint. It looks similar to liquid yellow. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I'm not really into EVs, but if they're going to look like that in the future, and there's going to be old cars, you know, reincarnated into EVs like this, then yeah, I'm all for it. Right, check this out. My second favourite EV, the Honda E. Now this car, to me, looks like Honda's CAD drawing of what they imagine this car would look like. But this is actually real, guys.
Hello, let's go. Right, sounds like a
It looks like a concept car. There it is, guys. First ever M3 Touring. What an absolutely stunning machine. I believe this colour is either Twilight Purple. No, I think it is Twilight Purple actually. And here I am, guys. I'm in the back of the brand new G81 M3 Touring. Competition Touring. And oh, it's just so spacious in here. Look at this. And look at these seats. That is amazing. Right then, boys, where are we going? I'll tell you what. Oh, crikey. I must be honest with you guys. These seats are incredible and you are locked in. However, they're not easy to get into. But wow, what a cabin. Check this out, guys.
Dad, I think you need to get one. I think it's decided.
Look at that screen. Amazing. How could we not have a look at this stunning E30 M3? I just think that is one of the best looking BMWs ever made. Absolutely gorgeous. I honestly could just sit and look at that all day. Everything about it is perfect. This is the brand new M4 CSL. I think a lot of people never thought that BMW were going to make a third CSL, but they did. And I'll tell you what, I think they've done a fantastic job. Let's have a look around. Probably the only ever time I'll actually get to sit in one of these. So let's go for it. Here I am. Wow. The M4 CSL, guys. What a place to be. Let's shut the door. One thing I will say is I can't believe how low you sit. I can't actually, I would need to raise this seat. This is incredible. What a cabin, guys. Guys, they're only actually making 1,000 of these cars. So I had to have a little sit down in this car because, let's be honest, this is probably the only ever time I'm going to be able to actually sit in one. I mean, it's a shame I can't drive it, but, you know, it is what it is. Stunning cabin. You sit very, very low in here. I definitely need this seat higher. Yeah, what a machine, guys. What a machine. Look at that. Star-rated Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Rs. Incredible.
Top of the hill, the main event, the hill climb final has been done and dusted, and as we may have expected, the Mercury automotive feeling, nothing to be taken away from it. It was our expectation.
Scares me every time.
Thank you very much for joining me on today's video. I hope you've enjoyed the highlights. I've been running all over the place trying to capture as much as possible. There's a great atmosphere here today, and obviously it's 50 years of BMW M, so I had to be here for that. And Goodwood have put on an amazing display. I mean, look at that. That is incredible. So yeah, I'll see you again next year at Festival Speed 2023. Take care, guys.